Good morning this Tuesday, the 20th of July. I'm Paulina Peters, a market analyst at Bell Direct. It's great to have your company. Well, it was a volatile session over on Wall Street. The Dow Jones tumbled more than 700 points. That was its largest drop since October last year. This comes as the Delta variant is spreading, causing COVID-19 cases in the US to rebound this month, averaging nearly 26,000 new cases a day, in comparison to its 7-day average of around 11,000 a month ago. This caused travel stocks to take a hit, with both Delta and American Airlines sinking about 4% each, as well as stocks linked to global economic growth, like Boeing, which fell 5%, and General Motors and Caterpillar dropping about 2% each. We saw the 10-year US Treasury yield hit a 5-month low of 1.17%, which further caused concerns about the slowing economy. And looking across the sea, the same story can be told, with European stocks closing 2% lower amid investors fearing a COVID-19 resurgence. Now, what to watch today? Today, the Aussie share market is set to drop sharply at the open, 1% lower if you go by the futures, amid Wall Street retreating, oil collapsing, and US Treasury yields sliding. The RBA Meeting Minutes will be released at 11:30 a.m. today, Australian Eastern Standard Time. As mentioned, given New South Wales and Victoria are in lockdown, and the RBA previously flagged it will reduce the amount of bonds it buys from November, many are now expecting the central bank to flip on that decision and increase support again, meaning economists might expect the RBA to say that they will be buying more bonds to essentially keep businesses' borrowing costs low, which supports the share market. Also today, BHP is set to report its fourth quarter FY21 production numbers, and Sydney Airport SYD will release its June 2021 sales. So keep an eye today on BHP and SYD. And looking at some of the most traded stocks yesterday by Bell Direct clients, they were Evolution Mining, EVN, which fell nearly 9% yesterday after several investment houses trimmed their targets to EVN's share price, including Morgan Stanley and Credit Suisse. Also, we saw Bell Direct clients trading energy services group Valmec, VMX. Its shares jumped 25% higher yesterday after the company received an acquisition offer. Moving to commodities, the oil price fell more than 6% lower, below US $70 a barrel, after OPEC ministers agreed to increase oil supply from August, and as the Delta COVID-19 variant threatens global demand. Coal prices continue to track upwards, trading at almost $150 a tonne, while the iron ore price continues to trade at around US $219. Now, to end on some trading ideas for your consideration, Bell Potter has maintained its buy recommendation on Australia's largest accident repair group, AMA Group. AMA is its ticker code, with a decreased price target of 65 cents, previously 70 cents. The current lockdowns in Greater Sydney and Melbourne provide further headwinds for the company, given New South Wales and Victoria account for around 23% and 36% of AMA's repair sites, respectively. The silver lining for AMA, however, is that they can continue to operate given they are considered an essential service, though with less traffic on the roads, lower volumes are expected. AMA closed about 1% lower yesterday to 52 cents, which implies about 24% share price growth. Bell Potter have also maintained its buy recommendation on Cooper Energy, COE, with a price target of 45 cents. In FY22, Bell Potter expects COE to demonstrate a step change in production and earnings, and COE is highly leveraged to Australia's tightening East Coast gas market. The stock closed about 4% lower yesterday to 24 cents, which implies a massive 86% share price growth. To end, bullish charting signals have been identified in Deterra Royalties, DRR, Mirvac Group, MGR, and Main Pharma Group, MYX, according to Trading Central. And that's it for today. I'm Paulina Peters with Bell Direct. Stay safe and happy trading.